my lovely Capricorns. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. Hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So finally we have entered the new year 2021. I'm sure everyone else, you too were waiting for this year. And of course it's Capricorn season, it's your birthday too, so let me wish you a very happy birthday first. May you have a very peaceful, blissful, healthy and abundant year, you guys. Also wish you a very happy and prosperous new year. So Capricorn, today we are going to do the reading of your sign for the month of January 2021. Since it's a Capricorn season, I have selected your sign as the first sign for this year's reading, and I am really excited to see what comes up for you guys. I also have Capricorn in my birth chart, so I am really looking forward to this reading. So Capricorns, while I was meditating, I could sense two energies. One was very playful, like one energy was like very energetic, very much playful. The cards were also being very notorious and just jumping off the decks. Someone is really excited, like super excited to start this new year with bang and looking forward for this year. That kind of energy. While the second energy was someone who is like really a little nervous or edgy about something, like that kind of a feeling when we have just before our exams or just before going for an interview. There are like you have studied well and everything and prepared well, but still you have that butterflies in your stomach. That kind of energy to whoever this applies. So yeah, with that Capricorn, let's get started. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So please take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? And do not forget to check other signs in your birth chart to get a better understanding. So yeah, let's get started. Interesting. Since this card has images on both the sides, there is no need to flip the cards. Interesting energies, you guys. The energy at the bottom of deck is Two of Wands. Well, I'm not surprised. Three of Cups is your overall energy. So yeah, let's get started. So the present energy is that of death. Now this is really interesting. Some of you guys are ending something. This need not be a physical death, okay? Do not be scared. Death means you are ending something and you are going to begin something. Maybe a new job you have ended, or you have resigned from your old job and taking up a new job, new opportunity, new career opportunity. Or maybe you have ended a relationship, and probably you'll be entering a new relationship after that. That kind of ending I'm talking about. Also, like coincidentally, we have just ended one eventful year. Like I said, someone is really looking forward to this year 2021, as if like a magic wand, things are going to change. That kind of energy I was feeling, and this looks like the energy of that group of people. Someone who is really looking forward to just let go of this year, 2020, and wanting to welcome the new year that I'm experiencing over here. The energy crossing you is that of King of Cups. So now this is someone who is really emotional. I feel whatever that is you are ending, you guys had emotions attached to it. Maybe it was, of course, if it was a relationship that you are ending, of course your emotions must be invested in that. Or if it's a job that you are changing, then again I am seeing that you were really you are feeling really bad. You are feeling really bad also about this ending. But no matter how much you are looking forward for the new beginnings, of course there are some emotions involved here and it's not easy moving forward. That kind of an energy I feel. I also feel that someone is looking forward to start a new relationship in their life. That's what I feel for some of you guys. The energy in your recent past is that of Ten of Cups. Lot of emotions, lot of a lot of focus in relationship. Basically, someone has invested lot of emotions in their family or their spouses or their boyfriends or girlfriends or whoever it is, so the relationship aspect of your life was your prime focus, focus of attention. It consumed all your energies, what I see in your recent past, which is a good thing. It's a happy card. In your immediate future, I can see this Nine of Cups. Now this is wish fulfillment for someone. I really feel that some of you guys are about to enter a new relationship. Okay, if you have been doing any manifestation work for attracting that soulmate, or proceeding in terms of relationship, I'm sure you are at the verge of getting what you want. I also feel that this is someone who is looking at you guys very affectionately and holds a lot of emotions towards you. Like it's someone is experiencing like, okay, this person is my dream person. Okay, this could be you or this could be another person. I feel that this energy is of someone else. Someone else is looking at you as their dream come true. And they're very happy and emotional about you. Yeah, wish fulfillment basically is what I see in your recent or immediate future, which is a good card. At your subconscious level, or at your dominant level, there is this world card. This could mean two things. This means travel for someone. Okay, someone is planning some travel, maybe overseas travel. Some of you guys, I feel that some of you guys might be traveling for work purposes or maybe for pursuing higher studies. Okay, maybe MS or whatever it is, you guys might be planning travel to pursue your higher studies, or you might be relocating overseas, maybe for some work purpose or whatever it is. But looks like overseas travel is involved in some cases. And this also means that some aspect of your life, some chapter of your life has come to a closure. That life has come to a full circle for you guys, because there was this death card and this world card. Both these cards signify that you have completed one chapter of your life. Okay, you have closed or you have turned the page over one chapter of your life and are moving towards the next chapter or new chapter. Okay, this is the kind of energy that I'm feeling for some of you guys. The energy that is crowning is that of Nine of Wands. Yeah, definitely tired, exhausted. Maybe you guys are preparing for these new beginnings in a full swing, especially for those of you who are planning this relocation or who are planning some overseas, planning to go overseas for a higher studies or that dream job. You are investing a lot in that. You are putting your blood and sweat into that. You're working really hard for that. Okay, and that is making you a little exhausted, but I feel that you don't have any complaints about that. This is something which you are doing out of your own will, out of your own passion. Okay, so even if you are tired, I don't feel that you have any complaints about that. You are really looking forward to that, is what I feel. Yeah, the energy for your advice card is Six of Wands. Now a lovely card, guys. You guys are running high. I mean, you are going to be successful in whatever that you are trying to pursue. Okay, whatever that is you are trying to do, even though there were endings, even though there was closure to certain aspect of your life, you have come out of it as victorious. Sorry, this is definitely you who has succeeded in whatever it was. Okay, so no matter what, I mean, even if the past might be a little painful or the current energies might be a little painful and stressful, know that you are going to emerge victorious into that. You are going to succeed in whatever that is you're doing, and it's a very good and positive card to find. I'm really happy. I also feel that someone is headed towards you, like in a very headstrong manner. Someone is going to approach you. Someone is going to come and, what do I say, propose to you for marriage, is what I see. Yeah, that kind of energy is also what I'm getting very strongly for some of you guys. Again, a good energy. In your external influences, there's this Justice card. Yeah, paperwork coming through, property work being done. If this ending is about some relationship, like if you are filed for divorce or anything, and you are awaiting your papers, know that those papers will come through. If your property work was stuck, or if any legal work was stuck, that work will also come through soon, guys. The things will, you'll get those papers. If you are waiting for some official letter, if you are waiting for that offer letter from that new company, new opportunity, or any official document that you are waiting for, know that this card is that letter is going to come through. All your legal matters will they'll get resolved very soon. And yeah, overall this is a card of this is a justice card, which means that life is going to be fair now for you guys. Everything is going to start to fall in place now after a little turbulent times. Everything is going to be fine now, is what I feel for you guys, and which is really reassuring to know. In your hopes and fears, there's this Ace of Cups. Wow, lovely. Like I said, I strongly feel, guys, there are new beginnings for some of you guys in terms of relationship. Okay, so even if one chapter of your life is over in terms of relationship, know that you are headed right away into a new relationship which is just full of love and full of emotions. This relationship is going to be everything that you have dreamt of, guys. Whatever was lacking in your past relationship or your previous relationship, you'll have this in this new upcoming relationship, and I'm so happy. For some of you guys are a little scared of entering this new relationship. You are a little apprehensive, maybe because of your past. I totally understand that, but don't be, guys. Past, I mean, yeah, I know the kind of apprehensions that you are going through, but just learn the lessons from whatever the past was, whatever past relationship had to teach you, and just be positive to open the blessings from the universe. Life is wanting to give you another chance. Just be open and receptive to get it. You deserve it. Yeah, what do I say now? The outcome is that of Lovers card. Like I said, guys, definitely some of you are getting hooked, for lifetime, and it's going to be a really lovely relationship. This is going to be a soulmate relationship, and it's blessed by angels, so you really don't have to worry, guys. Capricorn, you deserve this love. Know that you deserve this love. And if you have done your manifestation work, know that your prayers are being answered by universe or gods or whoever that you believe in, the superpower. And wow, I'm so happy for you guys. This is going to be everything that you dreamed of. Lovely. I'm so happy for you guys. It's overall, the reading is really very positive and cute. In the energy at the bottom of deck was Two of Wands. Like I said, someone of you is planning something, planning that career move, planning that career shift, planning for higher studies. You are probably right now at crossroads, okay, still not decided whether or not to go for it, but I'm sure you're going to go for it. This is going to be a successful thing for you guys. You don't have to be worried. You don't have to be confused or apprehensive. Just go for it. I know that you have worked enough. You have done your research work. You are putting the right efforts, and yeah, it's just a matter of time now when you'll be like what do I say, reaping the benefits of your or fruits of your hard work. That kind of energy I'm seeing. Perfect timing for you guys is what I feel. And yeah, it was followed by Three of Cups over. So it's a cause of celebration. This calls for reconciliation, union, meeting some friends, socializing, catching up with your friends and family, or celebrating with your friends and family. You see this lady holding this cup high. This is a very emotionally satisfying and fulfilling period for you. You're going to get some news that is going to really make you very, very happy, and it will want you to go and celebrate with your family, with your friends, with your loved ones. That kind of energy I'm feeling. So definitely some news, some event that is going to call for this celebration. Okay, maybe it could be a new relationship, maybe it could be marriage, maybe it could be new job, new career opportunity, whatever it is, but definitely some reason for celebration for sure. And I'm so happy for you guys, so happy. You guys deserve it. I am a Capricorn and I am looking forward what comes my way. Just kidding. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Wow, it's time to take action. Lovely, guys. So this Two of Wands, that if you are preparing for something, or if you are contemplating over something, if you are still being indecisive about something, know that you can just go for it. It's time to take the action. So take the right actions, take the right steps. Everything is going to be fine, is what the universe is trying to tell you. Wow. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay guys, this card has just flipped. It says simplify your life. Okay, eliminate clutter from your home and work life to balance the flow of activities. Wow, lovely message. I really like when I get this card. It's a reminder for me to declutter. Maybe your room, maybe your space where you are working. Basically decluttering helps, or it makes way for new energies, new fresh energies to enter your life. So yeah, I'm happy to see this card for you guys. So for whoever this applies, if there's too much clutter around you, do make sure that you clean your space where you're working. Okay, especially working, or if there's a clutter in your mind, do meditate and calm yourself down, so that new abundant energy start flowing into your life. So Capricorns, I shall leave it at that. I hope you like this reading. I really loved it. Okay, so if this resonates, please like the video, drop comments to let me know your thoughts about this reading. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, so see you next month guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.